May this beautiful occasion of Eid gives you all the reason to bring smile, glow and shine to your life just like this traditional glam look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and let's begin creating the Eid makeup look for this year. I'm starting here with my new favorite sunscreen from Martiderm. This is SPF50+ and meant for all skin types. For my sensitive, now acne-prone skin, it has an ideal balance of hydration and safeguarding against the sun's harmful rays. The consistency of the product is fluid and applies uniformly and effortlessly without any white cast. Initially, it may appear somewhat greasy, but within approximately half an hour, the sheen diminishes, resulting in a lovely radiance on the skin. I have been using it for the past week and it has helped me managing my breakouts as well. Also, the texture here is apt to be used as a hydrating primer, so I'm going to skip one but team it up with another pore-filling primer, smoothening primer from Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional. As you can see, I'm only applying the Benefit Primer in specific areas where I want to reduce the visibility of enlarged pores and create an even surface for my foundation. Additionally, I extend it to my laugh lines to diminish their appearance as well. At this point, I will also apply the Urban Decay Eye Primer portion in the shade Aiden to prime my eyelids. While applying makeup, I always wish to begin with my eyes first to prevent any potential eyeshadow fallout from ruining my foundation, and I frequently forget to do so. I remembered to do it today though. Moving on, I will be using the MAC Factorfinity All Day Flawless Concealer in the shade 070 to create a uniform complexion on my eyelids. I will be using a clean, damp beauty blender to blend it all over the lids. Additionally, I will be setting this eye base with a loose setting powder. I'm using here the brand new Banana Loose Setting Powder from Essence. I will be using the Essence Benvenuti Roma eyeshadow palette to start my eye makeup. For the first step, I'll apply the fourth shade, which is a vibrant orange, to my lids from the outer corner across the crease and towards the inner above crease area. To ensure a smooth and even application, I'll use a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush to blend the color. For the next step, I will switch to a flat round brush and apply a deep olive green eyeshadow from outer crease and lid to the center of my eyes. To create a lifting effect, I'll stroke the brush outward as I reach the outer corner. Moving on to the next step, I'll use the ice cream shade from the palette to create a base for the cut crease. To apply this shade, I'll be using eyeshadow applicators from Kala. These applicators are quite affordable and allow me to use a different one for each color without any concern of color mixing. To add a glittery and radiant effect to the crease, I'll use the Gold Dust Cream Shadow from NK Cosmetics Sugar Coat palette, and using the same applicator, I'll dab it all over the lighter crease. To maintain a soft edge between the two colors, I'll use the same fluffy brush and blend lightly. This will help me achieve a seamless gradient effect where one color transitions smoothly into the other. To brighten up my eyes, I'll use the MAC Factorfinity Concealer once again and blend it with a stippling motion using the same beauty blender. Then I'll take a smudge brush. I'm using the Sephora No. 10 brush here and using the deep olive green shadow, I'll smudge just under the waterline. Finally, I'll use a kajal pencil to fill in the lower waterline from end to end. Now using a liquid liner, I'll create a soft curved wing. I'm using here the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Black Ink Eyeliner. For my mascara, I'll be using the Essence Double Trouble Mascara, which features a wand with two different sized bristles. This design is great for covering both longer and shorter lashes. Now that I'm done with my eye makeup, it is time to move on to the base. For my foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 36 Warm Sun and mixing it with the NYX Total Control Total Drop Foundation in the shade Cinnamon Canal. I'll apply this mixture first to the center of my face and start blending. As I see the product blending, I'll use the same sponge to apply whatever is left to the outer edges of my face. I'll also apply foundation to my neck. Next, I'm using this new bronzing palette from Essence. I'll blend the deep matte shade with the shimmer bronzer and gently apply it to my cheekbones, forehead and jawline. To create more depth, I'll use the deeper shade once again. Furthermore, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Cream Contour to bring more dimension and definition to my face. By applying it to the hollows of my cheekbones, temple, hairline and jawline, I'm here creating a more sculpted look. To add more definition to my nose, I will be using the same deep bronzer from the palette. Firstly, I will lighten the bronzer by smudging it onto the remaining foundation on my hand. Next, I will apply this lightened mixture just below the eyebrows to connect with the bridge of my nose. Then I'll apply the same mix to the sides and underneath the tip of my nose, blending it well for a subtle effect. Additionally, I will extend a subtle dark shadow to the bridge of my nose to enhance its shape. Lastly, I'm adding a touch of highlighter to the bridge and the tip of the nose. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Essence Brow Powder in the shade Deep and Dark. I'll begin by mixing the two shades together and applying it first at the center of my brow. From there, I will swipe it towards the outer corner, blending it well. Next, I'll mix the shades again, this time taking more of the lighter shade and applying it from the center to the inner corner of my brow. To create a more natural look, I will also add a few extra strokes to mimic the appearance of hair strands. Lastly, I'll brush through my eyebrows to give them the final shape. For lips, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Ruler. This particular range of lipsticks is simply amazing. It lasts for an extended period and is resistant to the wear and tear of daily activities. I will now set the makeup using the Essence Makeup Setting Spray. To finish off the look, I'll be adding on some jewelry. Also, I realized that I forgot to apply blush. So I will be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush palette here. While the matte lip finish looks fantastic, I believe a glossy look would complement this particular makeup look better. Therefore, I will be adding the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in the shade Lippy to achieve this effect. This product is highly pigmented and provides a long-lasting wear, making it an excellent addition to any makeup routine. However, if you prefer the glossy finish from the get-go, you can skip the matte lipstick and use the vinyl ink directly. And like that, I create this look. Let me know what you think about the products and techniques used in the tutorial. Once again, wishing you all a very happy and peaceful Eid. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.